What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is a casual vlog again that I'm doing. I had to give some updates to you guys. See some important things, Let me get this out of here. Oh my god, that's a lot of mosquitoes. Okay, so the first thing to do is to put this in idle for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll see you guys on the road. What's up? How you guys doing? No, I was in my home. I was kind of free today. Holy crap. Thank you. Yeah, I was kind of free today, so I thought, why not go out and make a video. Yeah, this is where I shot my the break-in period video. There's a little layout over there, new layout. So I thought that was a cool place to record videos. Yes, the title is right. I'm moving back to Kerala after what 15 years. Yeah, I'm moving back to Trivandrum. That's my hometown. Not just me, my family, our business, everything is going back to Kerala. So that's why there hasn't been any travel vlogs or anything like that. Otherwise I would have been traveling right now, of course. So you might have a question, why the hell am I moving back to Kerala? We had already planned this before a couple of years to move back to Kerala, and and now we are executing that plan. The approximate date that we are moving out might be 25th or 26th of this month. That's like in a week. Yeah, I'm not like forever gone from Bangalore. I will come back frequently, like probably once a month or once in 2 months, because my sister is gonna be here. She's not coming back to Kerala because of her work and stuff. This feels like a good place. This moving out part is not going to affect my YouTube videos. I'm still going to make a lot of travel vlogs and the usual videos that I make. Nothing's going to affect, but I can assure you that a lot of nature is going to be involved from now on. I'm kind of hyped to go back, but at the same time, I'm like I don't want to go. I don't want to leave Bangalore, because it's been so long since I've been living in Bangalore. You cannot leave a city like that, right? You're gonna have a lot of memories that you made in here. I'm gonna miss a lot of people in here, but as I said, I will come frequently. So whenever I come, I'm gonna meet them. So that's the update about moving back to Kerala. So I'll be uploading a couple of videos before I go back to Kerala, and they are the 15,000 kilometer ownership review, and there's one more. Oh yeah, I have to tell this. So for this, I need to put the bike in center stand. Okay. I'm gonna sit on the back seat. Look at this. What is this? That's right, that's the cone set issue that I'm facing, and it's really bugging me out recently. And so what I planned is to get this fixed from Out of Motorcycles, get their NTN bearings made in Japan, and get the cone set waterproof greased, and get the nylon cap which Out of Motorcycle provides. So if I get all these done, I don't have to worry about the cone set issue anymore. So that's gonna be the second video, a ride to Kolli Hills, or Kolli Hills, I don't know how to pronounce that. Yes, that's about 200 kilometers, 180, I have no idea. It's in Tamil Nadu. So we are planning to go there. The speciality of that place is it has 76 hairpin bends. I thought I would make this update as a YouTube video rather than posting it in my community tab or Instagram stories. This is much better, right? What do you guys say? Do you guys like it? About the meetup ride, I'll update in my Instagram stories. Make sure you guys have followed me on Instagram, and please subscribe to my channel. Do it. It's free, right? So I'm just waiting for the day when I get back to Kerala, all settled down after everything's sorted out, so that I can get back to riding, go on long rides. So I guess I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you guys like this video. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.